satellite is much bigger, and I think that's what has made us a brand today, is because our films do well on satellite, not on theaters. We need to control piracy, which is not happening. Few media people, not everyone, few of them, they are tweeting after every 10 minutes what is happening in the theater. It is also piracy. Government can restrict India. What if it's coming from some other country? How will you control that?
Surprising that in South industry, say in Telugu and Kannada, so they have like 1,500 screens, and the business of the film is great.
What we need to sit and think about is that it's doing in one state. Hi, this is Rohit Shetty, and you're watching Bollywood Hangama.
I spoke to Ajay sir during our interview for Golmaal Success. I'd just like to get your view as well. What is the importance of getting more screens? Because China, the way they are moving,
It's very important. I think. See, what happens is nobody realizes there's so much of ho-halla around when you make a film. Nobody is working on the science of it. Nobody is working on the basics of it. We as a production house, being a producer, we definitely work. Like Golmaal, as you said, was a 200 crore film. It was such a successful film last year. The footfall is 1 crore 98 lakh something in a 125 crore ka population.
And everyone has seen it.
Everybody has seen it. Right. Satellite is much bigger, and I think that's what has made us a brand today, is because our films do well on satellite, not on theaters. Not in theaters, you know. Highest footfall for a film like Dangal or a film like Dangal or a Three Idiots would be what, 3 or 4 crore people watching it.
Bajrangi Bhaijaan, I think, had
4 crore, whatever the highest rate. So I think we need theaters, more theaters, much more theaters. If we need that kind of a scale, like when we talk about China, it's by next year end it will be more than 50,000 theaters, 50,000 screens. You know, so we need more theaters. I think we need to control piracy, which is not happening.
I was coming to that.
Yeah.
Because it is so shocking, you know, say I travel in local trains many a times, and people are watching movies on their mobile phones the next day.
Yeah.
And see, it's like stealing something, and they're watching it in their
Forget
aeroplanes.
That. What I'm not liking is few media people, not everyone, few of them. They are tweeting after every 10 minutes what is happening in the theater. It is also piracy. Which is not right. Are you enjoying the film, or you're analyzing the film, or you see 10 minutes and then you tweet? Right. That is also piracy, what you're doing from the theater.
Right.
That should also be controlled. You know, and piracy is the biggest problem we are facing, and where it will go, how it can be controlled is, I think, the only way out is that we educate people. Then don't watch it. Like you watching it on your mobile, you're creating a loss for a lot of people, and the money is used in different. You know, somewhere there were reports that the money is used for terrorism also. You know, from the other country when it comes for, you know, who are doing piracy. So it is like how we educate our people. Okay, at least don't see it on phone. Go in the theater.
But don't you think that, considering the amount of money that the film industry pays in taxes, maybe there should be some stringent laws and from the lawmaking authorities as well? Because it's easily available. आप वहाँ पर रेलवे स्टेशन के बाहर आपको आराम से मिल जाएगी आपको DVD. कोई उससे कुछ नहीं कहने वाला.
The problem is because of the platform. The problem is like, okay, government can restrict India. What if it's coming from some other country? How will you control that?
No, I'm saying easily. अब आप स्टेशन के बाहर आराम से मिल रहा है, वो तो control
that should be controlled.
And it's easily available. Everyone knows that it's easily available.
That should be controlled. That is because we as an industry is not united.
Yeah.
The day we all come together, a lot of our problems which we sulk about can be controlled, like how it is in South. South, you will know hear such kind of a thing, piracy happening.
They have very strong fan clubs.
Fan clubs are there. There's unity with producers, unity with actors. When we all come together on the same page, on the same platform, things will change. Because we are not that big an industry, let me tell you, considering like our whole turnover might be a Surat ka businessman ka family ka turnover. We are, just because we are because of media and we are like out there, our turnover is not that great. It's not like, if you see, and the success ratio also, if you see like 260, 70 films or 35, 40 films releasing, 10% does well. Like if 20 films are a hit, it's 10, not even 10% if I tell you. So I think the biggest, but we are a powerful medium. We all need to come together for that.
Definitely. It's surprising that in South industry, say in Telugu and Kannada, so they have like 1,500 screens, and the business of the film is great.
What a film does in
1,000,
Andhra.
1,500, they can have very good business as well.
When you see a Tamil film or a Telugu film has done 100 crore business, the biggest thing what we need to sit and think about is that it's doing in one state.
Yeah.
Here we are slogging in the whole country, and then we achieve that number. It's high time we all come together and think about it.
Definitely. In fact, the movies they run for weeks and weeks in South, and people and the fans they go and watch it.
Yeah.
Say even in like eighth week or whatever. So
because
which
there are
is
so many
something-
theaters.
Ji.
That is the, I think the number one mode of entertainment, like for them, is watching movies.
Absolutely.
And it's because of the fans also,
Ji,
the fan
ji.
clubs also.
Ji,
It makes
ji.
a lot of difference.
Right.
Hi, this is Rohit Shetty, and you're watching Bollywood Hangama.